Alright, so I've got some laser parts into I got some in the mail, and I actually bought the laser itself, and it really sucked. It was supposed to be 80 milliwatts, and I bought it from Axis, so it was kind of a rip-off, basically. Axis messed up. I think part of it might have been my fault. It said 80 milliwatts, and first off, you couldn't even see the beam at all. Like, it was crazy and pretty stupid. So if I buy another one from Axis, it would be the other 405 milliwatt, because it actually shows you that it does have a beam, and it's $18. I bought this for $15, and it's real cheap. But I went ahead and got the diode out, and it was pretty simple. Hold on real quick, and I'll show you how I got it out. So basically what I did was took this little metal cylinder stick, and the diode was right in there, in this little module, and I basically took it and just put this in there and hammered it out. So now I'm going to show you guys how you can make your own laser to put into the module, and how you can put together your Axis module. So first thing first thing you want to do is lay it out like so. So make sure these go together just like this, and there's a lot of gunk in there to get out. So just take like a screwdriver or something and try to get, well, I guess I can't really get that out, but there's a lot of gunk in there, and that's for the driver. The driver fits perfectly right in there. I'll feed this through, and we'll create our own laser. The only thing I did take apart, I just took the diode out. Everything else should be fine. And this lens is rated for 80 milliwatts, but I really doubt it. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can put it in. So first things first, to start with the lens, you take the spring and you put it in the front of the module, and then you take your lens and press it down on that, and then turn it. Okay. You push it, there we go. And then, so now my lens is in, and as you can see, you can turn it, and there you go. So, sorry, this light sucks. See if you can see that. So the lens is in there, and then you'll just put your diode in right here. So, and then here's your driver, and this just goes through there too. So it's pretty simple, not very hard. Okay, so really you don't really need this part, but if you want it, you can go ahead and keep it. I'm not going to use it, I don't think, but it makes things covered a little bit more. And then you take your diode, and I actually have two of these modules. One of them is, as you can see, one of them's gold and one of them's silver. But go ahead and grab your diode, which mine is hold on. So here's my diode, and then you actually are going to need this part, because this is what's going to press your diode in. Okay. So you take it, you put it in there, and then you take the back of this, and then you press those together. So up here, you get your thing, and then I'm going to back this up. Okay, now hold it in there, make sure everything's straight. And then you slowly turn this, and it gets pushed in. And then there we go. That should do it. So it's in there, as you can see, and just to make sure, it's kind of slanted a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and make sure it's in there perfect. That should do it. Alright, now that that diode is in, you have your new... Okay, now the right pin, so if you're looking at the not used pin, the bottom one, you're just going to use the top two, alright? Now just to make sure this works, which it probably won't, I'm going to test it. Go fast. So to test it, all you have to do is just take your battery pack, your diode, and set it somewhere. And it works. Perfect, actually. Alright, so now I'm going to let you guys see the diode and see it working. And that's how you put your diode into a module. Alright, so the battery pack. Make sure things. Turn it. See there? See it? Kind of blinks and it's red. And that's not very powerful, as you can see, but to make it more powerful, all you gotta do is add your driver to it, and you get your soldering iron out and just solder just like this, the top, just like so. Alright, just like that. That should work. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Rate, subscribe, and I have lots more, like, how-to videos, tutorials, all that fun stuff, pyro systems, lasers, all types of fun stuff like that. So, subscribe, rate, comment, whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching. See you next time.